What is up, everybody? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be going through this bag of pennies. I was over at my best friend's dad's house, and he had a bunch of coins in a bag, and he said I could have all his pennies, so I'm going to go through those in this video and tomorrow's video, and let's see if we can find anything good. Okay, guys, so like I said, I'm going to go through half the stack right now, and then the other half in tomorrow's video. So let's get into it. 2017. So for 2017 P and 2019, you want to look for the floating head error. 2015. 2015 again. Okay, 1998, you want to look for wide AM. I know in my last video I was saying open. I don't know why I was saying open AM, but it's wide AM, guys. And this one looks closed. All right. And that's for 1998 through 2000. So 2021. 1990. 2019. 1998. Let's look for that wide AM. Oh, let me put this under the microscope. You might have one. Let's see. And it's close. 1981. 2021. For the 2021, you want to look for the major die break error and or the retained cud. It goes all the way across the coin from one side to another. It looks like a slit through the coin. 1980, 2019 again, 2000, let's see the back, put this under the microscope, and it's closed. 2019, I sent my floating head 2017 P floating head into Annex, so just waiting for it to come back. Hopefully it grades well, we'll see. 2020, 1984, so for 1984 and 1997, you want to look for the double ear. On Lincoln's ear, there's a double ear that you want to be on the lookout for. 2021, 2019, no floating head. '20 again. 85. 2021. Yeah, those major die break errors, they sell for upwards of $100. It's another 2021. I've seen people get as much as $300 or $400 for them, guys. I myself have gotten up to $150 for the first one. The second one I found, I got $100 for it, and I have a third one listed now for $200. So we'll see what that sells for. 2020. 2021. 98, let's check the back. It is close. And we want wide. Let's see. 2020, 2020, 2020. 3 in a row. Gonna try to pick up the pace so it's not a super long video this time. 98, let's close. 6, 20, 74, 14, 2002. All right, let's get some more. 93, 21, 2002, 96, 2000, 2000. See, that looks close. 98, close. 2012. Let's look through these ones. 67, 2005, 18, 20, 20, and 21. 13, 73, let's see, 93, 2020, 2019, 2020, 2021. A lot of 2021s. You never know. Hopefully we get one. Those errors. 91, 2018, 2002. Sorry if it's poor lighting. 2021, 2020, 2016, let's see, 2020, 1975, 2004. Let's see, see that double ear? Nope. 2019, 2015, 2007. One. All right, let's look for the wide. No, it's closed. Get some more of these in hand. 2021. 1981. Looks like this may be missing clad layer. Let's weigh it. 1981. 3.1. I don't know. Maybe it's toning. Interesting. 2021, 96, 19. It's a nice copper. 1973. We'll set that to the side. 2020, 2008. All right, let's get through these last ones. 2010, 2021, 2000. Let's check the back, and it is closed. 2021 again. 1996. That one has some corrosion on it. 22. 2017. 2021. 2021. And this is 2019. Okay. Can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, let's go through these. 2000. Close. You have another 2000. Close. 2021. 87. 98. Let's see. Close. 2021, 1971, 67, 2020, 87, 87 again. Okay. Okay, guys, so I got the last few pennies in hand. Let's go through them. 2001, 79, 96, 2000, but it's so much stuff on it. I don't know. I can't even really. Looks close though. 73, 94. This one's pretty heavily damaged. 96, 14, 21, 7, 94, 60, 2018, 22, 2007, 2021, 91, 18, 04, 2020, 2021, 18, 2021, 04, let's see. Yeah, not much out of this pile, guys. Well, we got a 2009, formative years. Yeah, it doesn't have the extra finger. I can tell just by looking at it. But, all right, that's 2. 1997, let's check for the double ear. No double ear. 2020. 04. And lastly, we have a 1997. Let's check for that ear again. No double ear. So, okay, guys. Short little recap. We got this really nice 1973 copper and a 2009 formative years. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing part 2 of this video tomorrow. And yeah, see you next time. Peace.